Hi Besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are totally opposites. We did get Juvia's Mother's Day boxes. We realized they're late. But we're still here doing Juvia's boxes.
We had a lot in May.
Yeah.
There was a lot
There's a lot. And a lot going on. So we had a hard time getting together as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this was a Mother's Day. I got it for $11 because I bought it 2 days after it was available and they put it on sale. Jen paid full price for hers.
Yes, I did.
And
I
they
think it was
were
like
15.
25-ish.
Nope, I only got like 20% off.
Maybe 20 bucks?
20.
Something like that. Couple 3 items.
They don't waste any money on packaging.
No.
You get a little brown box and you get a little foamer guy. And that's it.
Perfect.
So there's 3 items in here.
Yes.
Where do you want to start?
Let's do this.
That one? This one?
Oh, sure. Yes.
Okay. This is the Juvia's Place Magic Lip Oil and Honeydew. These are good
love
lip oils.
this lip oil.
They're like real actual lip oils that are hydrating.
Yes.
It's kind of...
It's a treatment.
It's clean. It's clear. It's just got a little green tinter to it. How's it smell?
Like chemicals?
It does. I think they tried to make it smell like a honeydew. And they couldn't.
They definitely did not pull that off.
It's definitely just clear though.
I don't think it's going to bother me because I think it's going to wear away. But these lip oils are outstanding.
Too. This is
yeah, it's super pretty packaging. In the shade Honeydew. Who knew? Okay. Honeydew.
This is the Juvia's Place Liquid Lipstick. Lover Girl?
Lover Girl.
This is probably
Shannon. Yeah. Oh, gosh.
I don't have this one. We've gotten the same red one, say La Vie, 37 times. This one's new.
Yes.
Let's swatch her.
Okay.
You don't have to wear her.
I can't. It would never work for me.
It's kind of almost a berry.
It is very berry, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. It's pretty. And I love that. With a black liner.
Okay.
You know I will.
We definitely don't have the same vision.
You'd probably use Poopy Brown.
I would. Absolutely.
I'm excited for that color.
Are you?
Yeah, but I can't use her in June.
Oh, she has different things going on in June.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And the grand finale is the Juvia, the Rebel Mints.
Have we gotten this one before?
We have gotten this one before.
I know we've got the grays.
Yeah, and we also got this one. And we were both like, eeh.
Okay, well, let's look at it then.
Okay.
We're not going to swatch it because we're both we got it before.
We did.
They always pack these so nicely. It is a cute little thing.
Yeah.
It was very...
pastel.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I would have to pair it with something else. You wouldn't use those tones of blue or green at all.
Nope.
That one's getting decluttered.
Yep.
But still, for, even for $20.
I was fine risking whatever it could be for $20. And I thought that was a hell of a deal as it was. So for her to whisk by with a $15 coupon.
I think it was on sale for $15 and I had another 10% off code or something. Look for those codes.
I know. Do it. What do you think of your box?
It's fine.
Fine.
And that's Juvia's.
Yes.
Like, they're drugstore brand. They're not super exciting. It's not something you can't go get for $10 or $12. Mm-hmm. But to get a few items for that price is really nice. And the lip oils are great.
Always.
Their liquid lips are really nice. And I'm excited for this color. So I can't be disappointed because I got one palette that I won't use.
Yeah, we've gotten this palette before. Not my favorite thing. The lip color is not going to get used. But I absolutely love these lip oils. Even though I'm not a fan of the smell, I still love the formula. It's a true lip oil. It's not glossy or sticky. It is like a treatment. It's a true oil.
Soaks in. It's nice and hydrating.
You wake up, you've got beautiful, full, plumpy lips, and you're ready for your day. Yeah.
Worth it.
Loved it.
Did you get these boxes? Happy Mother's Day, a month late.
Yeah, sorry. Did you get it on sale?
Or did you?
Did you get it right away?
Because we're not the same.
We are not the same.
I was doing something the day they went on sale.
Yes. Yeah, I think you were at work and I was like, I went in and got Juvia, and you were like, I'll get it later, and ended up 2 days later and got it for practically free. So
half price.
good for her.
Yay. Let us know if you got it and if you were excited about the items in it. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
And we will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.